Good morning, good morning, good morning. We in West Virginia in Buckingham, and I've been here before. Last time I came down here, they had sent me to New Jersey, but I don't know where I'm gonna go after this. It really no telling. Probably going to North Carolina, or I could be going back to New Jersey, who knows. But this place right here is really just straightforward. You just check in with the lady on your left, and then after that, she gonna tell you to go straight, turn, make a left. Then if they got somebody in the door, it's like it's gonna be a big door. It's gonna be a big door, and they're gonna have trucks inside. So the trucks, they gonna let you know, like, hey, there's one truck in here. When he bag up out of here, it's gonna be your turn to pull in. So you pretty much just gonna have to just look and just see if the truck gonna bag up. When the truck bag up, you just, when he get out the way, you pull up in. But somebody, he gonna probably be in the forklift. If you ain't paying attention, he's more likely gonna come down the hill and knock on your door and just tell you come in. All right, guys, I had to just checked in with her. Pretty much, you just gotta give you your trailer number, your paperwork, and then she'll just let the people know, like, I'm in the back. They just let them know that, you know, I'm here, finna pull in. But they got a truck already in there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna park over here on this side over here and just wait until the guy, you know, the guy come out. But this the door. Yeah, this the door that you gon' yeah, that's the door that you gonna come you gonna go to. Right there in front of me. I'm just really just paying attention to how, you know, so I don't hit nothing. Let me go out here and check, make sure nothing behind me. Nah, ain't nothing behind me. Nah, we good to go. Man, I hope y'all like this video, man. I'm trying to give y'all all the details so y'all can kind of know. Y'all got another truck out there? Three of them. Oh, dang. Yeah, you just fold that door in. I just fold this. Right. Fold it all in? Nah, just I'm folding the side in. Do the same thing how I did right here, and then I'm gonna come on this side and fold. All right, you go back on that side. Oh yeah, more definitely. Fold it in the middle, right here. The other side.
out of Fitzgerald with that?
You said what?
Come out of Fitzgerald?
Nah, Fulton, Alabama. Fulton, Alabama.
Yeah.
It is. I think the other tarp is brand new. Yeah.
These like mine.
Oh no, you good. You ain't gotta worry about having it so perfect because I'm gonna use it again, most likely. I'm just trying to get out your way, man. You got about 3 or 4 trucks.